Choosing the right computer processor for your needs is one of the key choices you make in your buying journey. Here's why it's important. The computer processor is a chip in your computer that helps it run. It's known as the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. Think of the CPU like the brain of the computer, telling other components, such as the disk drive, RAM, or GPU, what to do. From turning up your speaker volume and opening an app, to telling the screen what to show you, and much more, the CPU does a lot. There are many options to choose from depending on what you plan to use your computer for. Intel and AMD are the most common manufacturers, and they each have a few different series of processors. For example, the Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 processors are great for everyday use. They'll keep you productive and help you multitask with ease. Lower numbers in these series, like the Intel Core i3 or AMD Ryzen 3, may be more budget-friendly and let you easily browse on the web or work on documents. Higher numbers in the series, like the Intel Core i7 and i9 or the AMD Ryzen 7 and 9, give you more power for editing videos and photos or playing graphic-intensive games. Processors are updated frequently and keep similar names. Buying a new PC usually means you're getting the latest version of the processor. There are a lot of other options to consider, so it's important to think about how you'd like to use your PC before choosing the processor that meets your needs and budget. Hope that helps.